How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a quick little sound demo for you guys using two Evolve 30Ms and one ELX 212 SP sub. On the backs of the Evolves, I'm going to leave them running at 0 dB as well as the sub. The sub, I'm using the 100 hertz. That's what I have it crossed over. And as you guys know, the Evolves are running full range. So let's get to it. Oh, by the way, I'm going directly from 1/4 inch out from the controller straight to the back of the sub, and from the outs of the sub going into the inputs 5 and 6, and identical on the other one. Well, here we go. The 30Ms always sound great on their own, but if you want that extra layer of depth to the music and you want a little more bottom end, this is a great combination. I haven't seen anybody do an actual sound demo on it, so took the liberty and did one for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.